You asked, how to divide 35,000 by 26 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 35. 35 divided by 26 equals 1. 1 times 26 equals 26. 35 minus 26 equals 9. Bring down 0, making 90. 90 divided by 26 equals 3. 3 times 26 equals 78. 90 minus 78 equals 12. Bring down 0, making 120. 120 divided by 26 equals 4. 4 times 26 equals 104. 120 minus 104 equals 16. Bring down 0, making 160. 160 divided by 26 equals 6. 6 times 26 equals 156. 160 minus 156 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 1,346 remainder 4.